Welcome to today's analysis. Have you ever actually stopped to notice how time has this profound, almost magical way of shifting our perspectives? We constantly hear these bold statements or deeply held observations about the state of our society, and honestly, our immediate knee-jerk reaction is usually just doubt. We brush it off, we think to ourselves, well, maybe, but I just don't see it right now. So today we're taking a step back. We're setting a very deliberate, highly reflective tone to examine a specific, really powerful piece of text. We're looking at a singular observation regarding Cambodian Solidarity, an observation that, as time has passed, has totally transformed from this doubted, brushed-off statement into an absolute, undeniable truth. It's a fascinating, deeply human journey from that initial skepticism to just absolute realization. It really reminds us that sometimes truth doesn't need a loud argument, right? It literally just needs time and observation to reveal itself to the whole world.
So let's dive into this profound realization. Why do we often doubt the truth until we witness it with our very own eyes? It's a deep, fundamental question about human nature, isn't it? When we hear someone make a really bold, sweeping claim about the unity or the spirit of a people, it's completely natural for us to be a little hesitant. Words, after all, are just words. We live in a world where we demand hard evidence. We want tangible, physical proof before we commit our minds to believing something so huge. I actually want you to take a brief moment right now to reflect on your own past skepticism. Think about it. Have you ever heard someone speak passionately about a certain truth, only for you to nod politely while internally doubting every single word they said? We all do it, for sure. But the real magic happens when the very thing you doubted unfolds right in front of you. And that is exactly what our source material is getting at today.
Now, the source text points out a very raw and honest reality about this shift. Think about it like this. In the past, when these observations were first shared, very few people actually believed them. There was this thick cloud of skepticism everywhere. People were hearing the words, but they weren't truly absorbing the reality of them, They seriously doubted the depth and accuracy of what was being said. But right now, that has completely changed. Today, we see it clearly. The present day has given us this undeniable visual proof that completely and utterly wipes away those past doubts. It's no longer just some theory or a hopeful statement. It is a reality that is being witnessed firsthand. That stark contrast, going from widespread doubt back then to clear, undeniable observation right now, is just incredibly striking.
At the absolute core of this realization is one incredibly powerful message: the strong solidarity of the Cambodian people throughout the country. Just let that sink in for a second. We aren't just talking about small, isolated groups coming together here. This text is highlighting a profound, nationwide unity. It's a powerful, intensely strong solidarity that pulses through the entire country. Honestly, when you read this, it brings an immense sense of pride. This unity, this collective, undeniable strength of the Cambodian people, is the exact truth that was being spoken about in the past. It's vibrant, it's alive, and it is entirely undeniable when you finally see it happening all around you.
So, what does this all mean? How does this visible reality connect back to the past? Well, there's a profound final realization here. The source text explains that actually seeing this solidarity with our own eyes is the exact catalyst that makes us remember those past words. Witnessing this incredible unity is the trigger. It brings rushing back the memory of what was originally spoken, and it provides the ultimate, final validation. The realization hits incredibly hard. Those words were completely and absolutely correct. They hit the nail on the head. They were right all along. It's this truly powerful moment of acknowledging that the original speaker saw this truth, this deep-rooted national solidarity, way before the rest of the world had the tangible proof to actually believe it.
So, let's wrap this up with a final thought on how this builds into tomorrow. We've taken this journey from past doubt to present-day validation, and that leaves us with a really vital question. How will this undeniable proven unity continue to shape the future of the nation moving forward? Because when a country visually and undeniably proves its solidarity, it lays down a foundation that can weather absolutely any storm. This unity isn't just a realization about the past, right? It is literally the ultimate fuel for the future. It leaves us deeply inspired, wondering what incredible things can be achieved next, now that this powerful solidarity is recognized, proven, and embraced by everyone. Please click like, share my channel, and comment for more videos. Many thanks.